Hello everyone, welcome back to Great Online Training. This is Naidu. I'm a SaaS trainer and programmer. In this video, I will explain SaaS Certified Specialist Practice Questions number 5. I have already covered few videos earlier. So above on this particular link in a cards, I'm just attaching it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit like if you're liking this video. So let's get started. In this question 5, so we are just trying to create a format. Let's say we have a format called a proc format, the value status. That means a status is the format we are creating it. In that 1 to 50, we are calling it as a normal. Let's consider the 1 to 50 kgs of weight. Okay, the persons with 1 to 50 kgs of weight, we are considering it as a normal. If the person with a 51 to 100 kgs, then we are calling it as a abnormal. So this is a format we are creating it, and we are storing it in work library with the name of status. Now we want to utilize this particular format in a proc step. So in the below a list of options, which program runs correctly to execute the program without any errors? So for that, what we do is, let me just go by one option. The first option is here. Proc means it's a procedure. Print your data equal to your data set name you're writing sasshelp.class. You carefully see on the all four options, so it's the same. Up to sasshelp.class, there is no change in the four options. All the four options are right. And now the next one is, you can see a var statement is used for the first two options. Var is the statement is used for keeping of your analysis variable what you wanted. So in my sasshelp.class, there are a lot of variables, but I don't want all the variables for my output. I need to keep only height variable. So there is no problem whether you are keeping all the variables or whether you are keeping only the var variable with a var with only height. Still it is okay. There is no doubt in the programming wise. First two answers also right, and even format equal to status. This one, this last two answers you try to see. Here you're writing format equal to status. We never ever write a format equal to status. And at the same time, even in the D also, you can see format equal to status dot. Actually, applying the format, we generally write it status format with dot, but that is not correct. We never write a format equal to statement. The format equal to statement, will write it only one time in our proc report concept, but we never write it in the proc print. So the last two answers are not correct. Then there will be a tie between your A answer and B. And the B, you can see that. So you have written where height and height. So the both answers also up to correct there. Now we can just go for the next line. Format height status, we are writing it on the next statement. But here we are writing format height status with dot. Actually, as we know that whenever you want to apply any format to a variable, make sure the format should end with a dot. So then only that will work. So in this particular four options, the correct program is the B1 is correct. Proc print data equal to sasshelp.class where height, format height, status dot and run. So that is the right answer. Let's check that is it right or wrong, and let me prove that. So you also do with the same with me on this particular program execution. You type it in your end using your SAS Studio and just try to do with me as same. So take a pause of this video and open your SAS Studio and do with me. For that, first of all, what you do is you just open your SAS Studio, so which is there on my desktop. Let me copy the program what I have created here. So I'm just writing it here, copying the program. I'm just creating a format first. I just applied the written a proc format. So proc format, I'm just running this particular step, execute it. It went well. So there is no issues in the log. Everything is smooth without any issues. Okay. So there is no errors. Then what you have to do is you have to write the answer what I said, the B answer right or wrong. First of all, we'll try running the A answer. So what is wrong in this particular program? We will see. if I'm running it, proc print data equal to your status, proc print data equal to saself dot class where height and format status and semicolon and run. If I execute it, in this case, if I execute it, you will get it. See, you are getting the output, but you have not applied that format. Go there and check your log. So log is not giving any errors, but it is giving a variable. There is no errors, but warning is there. You can see that the variable status was not found in saself.class. That means on the first answer, the saself.status. So here, status is the variable SAS will think it. Actually, that is not correct. So instead of this, you need to tell to the SAS it is not a status is a variable, it is a format. How you can say the format? By just mentioning a dot. When you put the dot and execute it, and now you check the program and run it, and now you can see that the output you got it wherever it is normal you got it, abnormal you got it. So according to your data, so at least normal abnormal it just got converted, so you have the information here. Perfect, that means it's applied. So what is that means? What you basically need to understand, this particular answer is the right answer. So proc print data equal to saself.class where height, format height with status dot, you need to write it. According to this, the B answer is the correct answer. Remaining two answers also we already said that earlier. So these are all the syntax errors you are expecting to get it, because format equal to we never write it, and here also format status dot we never write it except in a proc report. So this is about right answer. Let's say, as I already created the PowerPoint presentation earlier, so let me just check the answer. Yes, that's a B answer is the right answer in this case. So that's it. This is all about your question number 5. I'm just done. I'm going to add a few more videos like this in upcoming days. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please write it in the comment section. Or maybe if you have a different approach than me, so please write it in the comment section so that I'll reply back to you if something is need to be corrected there, or maybe if you are asking some question and all. So please keep asking questions on my comment section so that it will give me a boost that what type of questions do I need to explain. And based on your like and if you are liking it, this video, I'll get a boost again for just making more videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.